Okay, so once a student has logged into Naviance, again, they're at this dashboard. One thing we're going to ask that you have students do is enter their SMART goals that they wrote earlier this year. So to do that, students will scroll down to important to-dos and tasks. They click on See All in My Planner, and then there's a tab called Goals. And here's where they add their goals. They need to click on the Add New Academic SMART Goal, and that one needs to be around the school-based goal. And then this wellness goal can be around social, emotional, their health, but a goal in that area. And so they click Add, and it walks them through the SMART goal template. So both of those places is where they need to insert a goal. Counselors will be able to see this, and teachers will be able to see their goals when they're asked to write recommendation letters. So it will be helpful. And the kids will be able to track their goals throughout high school.